One of the things you can't do in Affinity Publisher is open a Page Plus file directly to edit it. However, what you can do is you can open a PDF file of a leaflet that was originally created in Page Plus and make some edits to it, although unfortunately it won't be 100% perfect. I'm going to show you an example here. So if I just go to File and open this PDF here, so this is a leaflet that was originally artworked in Page Plus and has been exported as a PDF. So I'm going to open the PDF of that leaflet in Affinity Publisher. And you'll see on this screen, the first thing it's asking us is whether we want to load all the pages of the PDF or just certain pages. It'll also try and do some estimates around the dots per inch in the PDF, the color spacing, and it'll also try and work out as best it can where the lines of text should be grouped together into specific text frames. If I then click OK, you'll see we've now got that PDF open in Affinity Publisher. The first thing you'll notice is that what it'll do probably is it'll group all of the items in the page in the leaflet together. So if we go to the context toolbar here, we can press on ungroup and that will just ungroup everything. And now we can get into the leaflet itself and you'll see that some things have translated through okay. So for example, this cutout photo has come through okay, and you can probably reuse that. Some of the text so this text here, for example, has been grouped correctly, although you'll notice some of the formatting is a bit out as I make it bigger and smaller. What you'll probably find is that all of the text within the document, whether it was created in artistic text or frame text, is almost certainly now in a frame text tool. So this example here on this bar chart, this text would have been created in an artistic text frame, but you'll see as I move it around, you'll see it's now in a frame text tool because the text is staying the same size. You can, though, treat text frames as if they were artistic text by using this extra node in the bottom right here. So if I click and drag, you'll see it then appears like an artistic text frame. So that is still usable. Some things, unfortunately, won't have grouped correctly. So you'll see here, there's some text that shouldn't be grouped together, but is. So that's a downside. And then with some of the fonts, potentially, so like this one here, for example, it hasn't recognized this font. So rather than thinking that this is text, it thinks each of these letters is an individual shape. Okay, so that hasn't really worked there. But most text, if it's in Open Sans, should hopefully have come through okay. And so basically, yes, you can edit all of this and make some changes, copy them into other Affinity Publisher files, etc. And you can reuse all of the bits and pieces in this leaflet. It won't be 100% perfect, but it is at least a good starting point.